Welcome everybody, coming to you with some Stronghold update on the charts. We're going to get through this disclaimer if you'll read that. We're going to get right on to the charts. Get over here and we're looking at Stronghold. As we can see on the chart, we're down 5.35% on the day, sitting at 5295, a little above a 5.25%. On the day. It's 9:22 a.m. here in North Carolina on the East Coast of the United States. The day is the 28th. The last day of February. Looking for, and we've had a conflict started over in Iran and with the U.S. and Israel. Trump bringing the pressure to get Iran to surrender into a deal on the enriching of Iranian, not Iranian, but uranium enrichment. So don't know how long this is going to go on, how long this escalation is going to continue on, but it is taking effect on the markets. With this, the Bitcoin pulled down, and then it went back up to 65,000. XRP made its way back up to $1.33 from $1.27. And we look here at Stronghold, it did come down to 0.05144. But as you can see right here, we are in a downward trend. We was we were, well, I can put that back. Need to lock that. But we made a run up, but we've been coming back, and the only support level that we do have is right here at the 5075 down to 5 cents. So just wanted to come give you an update. You know, price is in a clear downtrend. It rejected from the descending trend line. We're making lower highs and lower lows. This is confirmed. We got a heavy sell candle on February 28th that, you know, it shows market and panic liquidation style move. You know, we had a volume spike, which equals emotion-driven selling, not strength. You know, and this is a distribution, you know, breakdown behavior. It's not accumulation yet. And you got key supports, you know, we need to hold. It's a make or break. The primary support that we must hold is at 0.00500 to 5 to 0.5. So Lord, 0.00510. And this is your last strong demand zone. You know, the green band. You know, prior bounce and liquidation grab zone. If buyer step in here, short-term relief bounce is what we're going to get. If this level fails on a 4-hour close, downtrend acceleration. So if it don't hold, we're going to continue down. And this is the line between control pullback and a war-driven flush. And this support at, you know, 0.00500 to 510. If this don't hold, the next major support level is at 0.0460 to 0.0470. And, you know, during all this, you can expect liquidity, you know, expect volatility, not no clean candles, running up and down. And this is where, you know, panic sellers usually get exhausted. And if we can't get, you know, if we can't even hold at 0.0460 to 470, the final structural support is at 0.0420 to 430. So the main target, the whole price holds at 0.050. Long lower weeks form. You know, volume decreases on sell candles, and we get to see Bitcoin stabilize. In the bearish scenario is bearish continuation scenario, more likely short term. You know, we get, you know, a clean break below 0050, and you don't get no wick and no bounce. This means we're in a bearish momentum, and we're going to continue down. And if you see volume expands on red candles, we're going to have a fast move to 0046, possibly 0042. But keep your eyes on these levels. You know, the hold or fail is at 0050. If it fails, the next is 0046, and the worst case support is 0042. So I wanted to bring you this update on Stronghold, where we could be going. Not much volume on Stronghold right now. We're coming down to a descending triangle. As you can see, we lose this area support at 0050. It's going to be straight on down from there. And just wanting to show you that, as you can see right here, this is so I do look as escalation continues on. We're going, if we don't hold this 00500, we are headed down. But wanted to come give you a quick update on Stronghold. I think it's going to be at DC for the Clarity Act meeting. That's good. So you see this green line right here. Let me get it on. This is a major area. We need to hold this support. We've held it 1, 2, and almost 3 times. But after a while, if you come down again, you could break through this floor, and we're going down lower. So I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, subscribe to the channel. If you want more updates on Stronghold, we like covering what the viewers like, the subscribers. So if you like the update on Stronghold, how about subscribing to the channel? We'd be more than glad and that you did. Help support the channel. It don't cost nothing to hit that subscribe and like button. Maybe throw a comment in there to help the algorithm of YouTube extend the channel out. But until the next one, God bless you, and we'll see you again.